In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect Bluetooth speaker to your phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's really easy to do this, and you can do this with any Bluetooth speaker you have, and then of course, any phone as well, and every phone has Bluetooth. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application, then go over to your Bluetooth. Of course, make sure Bluetooth is on whichever phone you're using, and then what you want to go ahead and do is on your Bluetooth speaker, make sure you go into pairing mode. If you don't know what speaker you have or how to go into pairing mode, search up the model of your speaker and then find how to turn it into pairing mode, because it has to be in pairing mode for it to be recognized. Then it's going to be in the other devices section of your phone. And then once you go ahead and do that, all you got to do is like tap connect on your phone, and then they're going to basically connect together, and that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.